At what point is my I-Series or RTS 13-wave blade worn out? For the 22-inch blade, you want to have no more than 4 inches of diameter wear on the blade before replacement. On the 20-inch blade, you want to have no more than 3 inches of diameter wear on the blade before replacement. Beyond that wear, there's very little flute left on the blade, which is what grabs and moves the soil. At what point is my I-Series or RTS 8-wave blade worn out? A visible sign that the 8-wave blades are worn out is sharktoothing. Sharktoothing is when the inside of the flute on the blade gets so thin from processing soil that it wears down faster than the outside of the flute.